Greetings everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you insightful reviews of the latest home appliances that are worth your money. In today's video, we will be comparing two highly popular air frying products, the Ninja SP101 air fry oven and the Ninja AF150AMZ air fryer XL. We will be evaluating them on various categories such as design, capacity, and versatility to help you decide which one is best for you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. When it comes to design, both air fryers look sleek and stylish and will undoubtedly add some charm to your kitchen. The Ninja SP101 air fry oven offers a flip-up and away storage option, taking up 50% less space on your countertop, making it ideal for small kitchens. However, the Ninja AF150AMZ air fryer XL has an XL capacity of 5.5 quarts, which is more than enough to cook up to 3 pounds of French fries or wings with ease. This category is a tie. Both air fryers are known for their large capacities and can accommodate decently sized meals. However, the Ninja SP101 air fry oven offers a slightly larger cooking area that can fit up to 6 chicken breasts, making it ideal for feeding a big family. The Ninja AF150AMZ air fryer XL can hold up to 3 pounds of food, which is more than enough for small families, so it depends on your usage. For larger families, we recommend the Ninja SP101 air fry oven, and for smaller families or individuals, the Ninja AF150AMZ air fryer XL would be a great fit. The Ninja SP101 air fry oven offers 8-in-1 functionality, which includes air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, bagel, toast, dehydrate, and keep warm. Meanwhile, the Ninja AF150AMZ air fryer XL has 5 versatile cooking programs: air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Both products are perfect for people who prefer multi-purpose appliances that make meal prep a breeze. However, the Ninja SP101 air fry oven takes the lead here with its additional bagel and toast functionality. With the advanced digital crisp control technology, the Ninja SP101 air fry oven offers up to 75% less fat when using the air fry function instead of traditional deep frying, making it a healthier cooking option. Similarly, the Ninja AF150AMZ air fryer XL offers up to 75% less fat than traditional air frying methods, allowing you to enjoy crispy and delicious meals without any guilt. Both products give you a chance to eat a healthy diet without sacrificing your favorite fried foods. This category is also a tie. Both air fryers have a non-stick basket and crisper plate that's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. The Ninja SP101 air fry oven has a removable crumb tray and an easily accessible back panel, making it an easy clean option. The Ninja AF150AMZ air fryer XL also has an easy clean option with its dishwasher-safe non-stick basket and crisper plate. This category is also a tie. The Ninja SP101 air fry oven is available for USD $149, while the Ninja AF150AMZ air fryer XL is priced at USD $169. Both air fryers offer various features, and their prices are justified. However, if you are looking for a budget-friendly air fryer, the Ninja SP101 air fry oven is the better option. So there you have it, folks, our comparison between the Ninja SP101 air fry oven and the Ninja AF150AMZ air fryer XL. Both products are excellent choices, and it all comes down to your personal preference. We hope this video has helped you make your decision. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below about which air fryer you prefer. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.